Hello Elysion owners, today I'll show what I've done with my fog light, how I did install. I'm not gonna show in this video how to install it because let's put it this way, I had to do it very quickly and for the MOT and for the registration as quick as I could because it's only like, I had only a few days to register or something like that, So I managed to put fog light down here. I removed blank space, which is still not finished. Probably what I'm gonna do, I have to cut a hole in there. Somehow manage to fit. I don't know, I'll see what I can do. So wiring harness I bought from AliExpress. I think you can get it on eBay, but unfortunately this one was a front fog light conversion kit, not rear one, so I had to chop it off, a few plugs, extend cables and run to the back. So what I've done was run signal or positive cable into engine bay, and negative I have connected down here. So that is the fuse if I need to, if that fuse pops out or something like that, so I have access there. So what else? There should be somewhere relay, but I can't. Probably relay is behind this one, so it's not a big deal. So I'll show you. That's the cable running through the. I can't see there, but here you go. Behind this one, there's a. There you go. You see that cable, which is going through the firewall into the engine bay. So negative cable is connected there, and this plug, if I manage to take it out, has a very long cable which is hidden at the moment. I have an idea, it's hidden some inside there, but it's a very long one, so I had to chop it off and shorten it out and make sure it's all fits in that little plug to make sure it's nicely done. So okay, so next thing I had to extend two cables, negative and positive, remove those covers and run the cable through there. Removed them ones and there, and I couldn't remove this one, so I left and plugged the cable underneath. And if you go at the back, there you go, that's the back. I'll show you first. I'll show you fog light. It's underneath, and I didn't want to cut anywhere in the bumper. It's like, and I wanted some slick looking one, so for nice and lovely finish. So as you know, it's like I run cables through them. Come on, carpet. And if you move carpet out, lift this one up. Here, as you can see here, as you can see there, there's two cables, negative and positive, coming in, running through the wiring loom outside. So I need to finish it off with put some masking tape, not masking, insulation tape, something like that. And I think that is for some sort of sensor or something like that, I'm not sure. Maybe impact sensor. So what next I've done was cut the steel, waterproof connection, cut the steel plate, measured where it is, drilled the hole, connected, made sure it looks decent, so all good and nice. So it looks okay. At night mode, not at night, for example at night, when you turn lights on, rear fog light, it's very visible, intense, it produces intense light. So next one, I run the cable, which is, as you can see there, that red one, through the loom, and I have connected to the, where's that, little side light, because it was connected already there. So what I've done, I just tapped in, sliced it inside, everything, but I need to put another batch of insulation tape to make sure it's all nice and good and won't be any connection to a body panel or something like that. So that's what I've done. Sorry about that I couldn't show you how to do it, but it's I'll list all parts I bought, or at least I'll try to find on eBay and list, try to to put on the listing description where I bought from, and that's it. Sadly, I couldn't find similar or something like that, from the old Honda cars, fog light, because it has like round shape, so it's not as easy. I even tried on AliExpress. I even bought that one for the Honda, but it's like it's small. It says Honda, but it's nowhere near Honda fitting or something like that. But whatever. But the main thing is, I've seen some bad fog light connections, or rear fog light connections, when people turn fog light on, leave them, turn, for example, they go away or shut the car off and everything, and pull the key out and walk away, and that rear fog light is draining battery, because it's connected directly to the battery. So what I've done was I have connected to the side lights. So for example, if I need to run the fog light, usually you need to have like lights on or something like that, to turn the fog light on. So what I've done as well, so once you turn light on, I'm not sure it's visible or not, but then it's I am able to really clicking then. Now for example, turn it on. So whatever happens, if car is off, fog light won't be running. That's good. So good news. Sadly, I couldn't find any switch which is like, when you turn when you push it, and if you turn the car off, that switch will be like disabled or something like that. If you want to turn back a fog light, you have to push it again. So it's like a push on type, it's just like push it or something like that. I couldn't find switch like that, but ideally I would like to connect to the front fog light, and then when the front fog lights on, rear fog lights will be on as well. So that's an idea. I may refinish like that, not like refinish like I have to take bumper off and everything, so I may do this way, but I have some time. So first my thing is I have to go and do to finish off connection to a plug, so hopefully it will be. So sorry about that, that's not how to install it, but what I've done. So what I run. So it took me like 3-4 hours to do all this job, because it's like it was very fiddly to go inside the engine loom, inside the engine bay, and down there run the cables to the back. It's like, it's awkward. It's not like as easy. So it's not a hard job, but it's very awkward, so it's time consuming. Okay guys, so thanks for the looking. Thumbs up if you liked it. If not, thumbs down. If you didn't subscribe it. I will make a few more videos. My video will be about comparison with the model non-Prestige and Prestige. Before I had like 3-liter V6, which you got chassis number is like RR3, and this one is RR5. So Prestige ones are like RR5, RR6, and I think RR1 and RR2, but something like that. So yeah, I'll do comparison between that and this one, not other one. So thumbs up. Thanks guys, see you next time.